how to sell your Bitcoin on Bybit. This tutorial also is good for Ethereum and many other coins. What you do, first you open your menu. After that, you go into trade section. Here you can see spot. You go into the spot, press spot. First, what's really important for you, if you wanna sell your Bitcoin, you must have it. That's why at this moment we have super small amount of BTC on exchange. It is 100%. Let's go to our assets. You can see we have Bitcoin at this moment on funding. I deposit small amount for you to show an example. We have it on funding. At this moment, what we do, we transfer it from funding to unified trading account. Press all. After that, you go to a trade, again spot, and here we have, pay attention, sell. You can see this amount of BTC that we have. And what you do, you can sell it by using market, limit order, depends on you want. Let's assume I would like to sell it with a limit order because I would like to sell it at clear price. And at this moment, we can set price 85,500. And for me, it shows exactly order value. It shows to me exactly how much money I would get if I would sell it with limit order. Sell. But remember, to sell it with limit order, BTC must reach that sell limit area. If BTC won't reach it, of course, I would not make, this order won't be active. That's why let's cancel it and let's sell it with you with a market. Let's sell it with market. Sell. Your market order have been partially filled. They left, you can see 0051 Satoshi. And USDT balance at this moment 91.69. That's how much money I got from my BTC seller. Some of you would ask me, but what's the difference between converting? Because you saw a few seconds ago that you also could convert your BTC or other coins. You can see here, convert. Let me tell you what's the difference. Before, my friends, get winning crypto signals for free. On daily basis, we help our clients making money while price rise, drop or fluctuate. We share clear signals with entry, exit ideas. Look at these amazing results. You also can get access to those signals absolutely free. All details is in description below this video. Read right now. When you do convert, you also could convert your Bitcoin or other coins, Ethereum, Solana, into USDT if you wish. But what's the main problem here? First, main problem that sometimes prices here is a little bit worse. For example, at this moment, 190.63. You can see price of Ethereum at this moment is 1989, and let's open spot 1990. Just imagine that they during this conversion they try to sell it with 1% fee. It's huge. That's why conversion it is super expensive for you. That's why for you it is still way better to go back into your assets and transfer, because 1% it's a lot, especially if you do it really often. From funding, you choose, for example, Ethereum, again, everything, all coins, you transfer, and after that, when you go into your unified trading account, you simply press trade. You can do this one spot, or you go trade here, press spot. Again, choose other coin, because if you decide to sell, for example, BTC, you can here sell Ethereum, and again, 100 coins, 100%, and press sell. Please enter the price to sell. You can see limit order and sell with a market. Congrats, we sold it with a market price 1989, which is on $20 bigger than during conversion. What to do right now? Press likes, follow me, and once more in description there would be offer how to get signals by only becoming our partner, even if you already have account on Bybit. Use that special option right now.